Hi people with the spirit of learning, so welcome back into the episode number 4. So in the previous video that we have been learning about how do we design the interaction between of those activities of those designs. So in this video I'm going to add a new design for context. So basically you could also add the context over here, and then we select our friends from our context into this screen. Okay, so I'm going to add two pages. Actually, this is for the prototype only, so I have to change this name, send money, new friend. Okay, and then uh, the next after Patrick we have to give another item. So this is for Fiona. Okay, let me just like this. So if you do have sketch, just make sure that you're going to follow in this design. But if you don't have sketch, it doesn't matter. I'm going to provide the project, so you have to download into the video's description. Okay, and Patrick here I will change it to Fiona. Okay, so I need this picture, of course, and I'm going to put here. Okay, right? Okay, that's cool. So yeah, right now I'm going to just simply to import them into our existing project. So in the Supernova, I just simply to choose the refresh menu, and we're going to select the project that we're working on and just open. Okay, so then after that we have to select this one and then this. Okay, only two screen. Okay, and then just import them. Okay, so we got context and we got send money. Okay, so let's get started with the context pages. So in the context we want to make it scrollable. So how do we do that? It's pretty easy because Supernova is helping us to convert this element to be allow scrolling. Okay, then you can just simply like this. Okay, and then if you see here in the preview, it's gonna be like this. It's pretty simple, right? No hard feeling, it's just simple. I love it. Okay, so after we add this Fiona, we're going to move into another activity. So then after that, let's go into, let me check in the design screens. So we have to choose send money. Okay, and then in this button you see that there is add button, so we have to convert to the button, and once we convert we are able to give an interaction into the send money, sorry, into the context. Okay, so if you do preview here and you just add here, it's going to the context, which is you're able to scrolling the contents of the design. Okay, so I'm going to edit mode and then select this Viona. Okay, and then convert into the button and give an interaction to send money new friends. Okay, so once we preview, okay, let's get started from the get started. Okay, we get started and select the username Angga Risky and the password itself, and then email is angga@google.com, and then create account. Congratulations, and I'm going to send the money just simply here and add my friend Fiona. Okay, and then send now. Oh, we forgot, actually I forgot to give this an interaction, so I have to convert into the component button and give an interaction to the success send. Okay, whenever I do cancel, I have to go back again into the previous pages. So we give them an interaction to the dashboard. Okay, we do preview again and send the money, and it's sent. It's pretty nice, isn't it? So this is how do we add the new design, and then how do we make scrollable contents. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.